Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Another day here in Spokane, Washington. Today's agenda, somehow get the carport set up in this super nice weather. I don't know how it's gonna happen, but it's gotta happen today. Today's gonna be the last warm day of the year, I'm pretty sure. Tomorrow's gonna drop down to like 20, and then after that's like 15, 10, 5, 10 degrees, super cold like that. So I'm actually throwing the carport behind the shop by the semi-trailer where I store a bunch of car parts. And the Evo is gonna go in there. I'm gonna have to go shovel out an area. Wow, this is nice. I should probably put some boots on. Gnarly holes in my shoes. But I'm gonna go shovel out an area. Then I'll probably try to get the carport set up inside the shop so I don't have to work in the rain and the snow. But I kinda need to clean up in here first. It's a freaking mess. So I'll probably pull that cart all the way back there, pull that forward, and try to set the carport up over there behind the Evo. And then when it's all done, I can throw it outside and throw the car in there and hope it doesn't collapse this year. So the first thing I'm gonna do, shovel out an area over there where I want to throw the carport. It's pretty big, it's a 10 by 20. I'm gonna have to shovel quite a bit of snow. Should pull out of the tractor and plow it, but I'll shovel it instead. I need exercise. Wow, that was so much fun. Now let's clean up the shop. Place is a disaster, as you can see. Nasty. Alright, let's see if this thing will start. It's been a minute. Last time I started it, the battery was dead, so hopefully it's not dead again. Yeah, that's a good sign. Shit. 100% dead. Gosh damn. That was fun. That is why I forced it for the winter. Would never do that in Evo. Never, never, never. So there are two whole boxes for this carport. As you can see, it's a 10 by 20. So that'll be pretty nice. It's gonna be nice and big. But since I'm gonna be working in the shop and my feet are soaked, as you can see, I have a nice hole right there. So I'm gonna change my shoes, change my socks, and yeah, not be frozen. Now that's a little better. You can go through anything with these bad boys on. Ooh. Well, this certainly is not a carport setting up channel or anything related to that, so another time lapse it is. It's all done. Now it's on to the fun part. Trying to figure out how to move this thing myself. I hope I can just drag it, but I don't know about trying to drag it through all that snow. It might be a pain in the butt. From here, I just have to stake it down, move the car in there, and we are done. I'm actually gonna wait till tomorrow to move the car in there. I'm gonna see if some more of the snow will melt before I try to move the car, because it's kind of deep right now, kind of disgusting. So I'm thinking some more will melt tonight when it rains before it freezes. I think it's time to shave the beard. Much better. Let's go get this Evo into the carport. So the snow didn't end up really melting much more, and there's no way I'm gonna try to take that car through that. So I'm gonna go ahead and have my dad plow a bunch of snow, move it around so I can get the car into the carport. I almost kind of want to lay some down on the ground too. It's so muddy in here, it's disgusting. Let's hope this battery is still gonna work. Gosh damn. I just need to run this thing for a while. But the problem with running it for a while, the gas light is on, so it'll probably die, and then I won't be able to get to the gas station. So I guess I'll jump it in the spring when I go to drive it and fill it up. Let's see if I can get this thing out of the shop without freaking destroying it on the snowbanks. I miss driving this thing so much. So tempted to go on a drive right now because the roads are somewhat clear, but then that would kind of defeat the purpose of the wash I did on it and the whole detail I did before I threw it away for winter. But to make up for that, I'm gonna grab a nice lens on my camera and do a little video shoot. Let's get it. Well guys, that is it. The Evo is off to our new home. Now I can clean up the shop, get this all cleaned up over here. This car is gonna go up here, over on jack stands, just kind of sit there for the winter while I finish the build. Damn it, Devin, why do you gotta wear your nice shoes in the mud? But, as you guys guessed it, that is gonna wrap up this video. And grab all my stuff from shooting that little video edit. If you guys wanna know what lenses I use, by the way, this is kind of random, I know. I shoot with, the vlog lens I use is just a kit lens, so it's an 18 to 55 millimeter. Then I have a Sigma 18 to 35 art series lens. And then this is an 85 millimeter Nikon 1.8 on the body's a Nikon D5500. Everything is linked down in the description box below, as always. So if you guys want to go purchase any of your own camera equipment, feel free to use those links. But that is gonna wrap up this video. Really hope you enjoyed it. I know it's kind of a random little vlog, but keep you guys updated on everything. So if you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button right up in the corner. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another FRS build video.